Ever wondered if your highly secure ELLIPAL cold wallet can play nicely with the most popular hot wallet in crypto, MetaMask? It's a question many ask, seeking the best of both worlds, the impenetrable security of an air-gapped device with the seamless dApp connectivity of MetaMask. And the answer, happily, is a resounding yes. For anyone serious about their crypto security, the thought of keeping significant assets on a hot wallet, directly connected to the internet, can be a little unsettling. That's where cold wallets like ELLIPAL come in. Designed with an air-gapped approach, the ELLIPAL never touches the internet. All transactions are signed offline using QR codes, making it virtually immune to online hacks and malware. This level of isolation is paramount for long-term storage and protecting your precious digital assets. But here's the catch. While cold wallets excel at security, they aren't always the most convenient for interacting with the vibrant world of decentralized applications, or dApps, and DeFi protocols. That's where MetaMask shines. MetaMask, as a browser extension and mobile app, acts as your gateway to Web3. It connects directly to countless dApps, allowing you to swap tokens, provide liquidity, participate in NFTs, and explore the vast DeFi landscape with ease. So, how do you bridge this gap? How do you combine the fortress-like security of your ELLIPAL with the expansive utility of MetaMask? The good news is that ELLIPAL has directly addressed this need. They understand that users want the best of both worlds, and they've built in compatibility that allows you to use your ELLIPAL as the secure signing device for your MetaMask transactions. This integration means your private keys, the real keys to your crypto, remain safely stored on your offline ELLIPAL device. When you want to interact with a dApp using MetaMask, you initiate the transaction in MetaMask as usual. However, instead of MetaMask signing the transaction itself, it will prompt you to scan a QR code with your ELLIPAL. Your ELLIPAL then reviews the transaction details, and only once you physically confirm it on the device, does it sign the transaction offline. That signed data is then transmitted back to MetaMask via another QR code, and MetaMask broadcasts it to the blockchain. This sign what you see approach is a critical security feature. It ensures that even if your computer were compromised, no malicious code could alter the transaction details without your explicit, offline approval on your ELLIPAL. You're always reviewing the exact transaction you're signing, directly on the secure hardware. This seamless pairing unlocks a world of possibilities. You can securely stake your assets on DeFi platforms, participate in exciting NFT mints, and engage with various decentralized autonomous organizations, all while knowing your private keys are tucked away safely on your air-gapped ELLIPAL. It's the ultimate combination of security and functionality, giving you peace of mind while still allowing you to actively participate in the decentralized economy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.